Good morning, San Francisco. I'm just kidding, what is it? Wake up, San Francisco? Anyways, if you know, you know. Happy Vlogmas Day 24. And I forgot to mention in the other phone, but happy Vlogmas Day 23. It hasn't gone up yet, but I was editing it. And I never even said like what day it was, but it's a short one. Yeah, it's a real short one, but happy Merry Christmas Eve. Don't go, please don't go, please don't go, please don't go. Thanks. Don't go, Misty. Oh, she's camera shy. She's purring. I'm gonna like blast the sound so you can hear her purring. You have hair in your mouth. Got it. Merry Christmas Eve. Come here. Anyways, Merry Christmas Eve. I said that 3 times now, I think. I don't know because I can't really count. Today is gonna be a hectic, busy day. I already know that. Later tonight, we're going to Miami to a friend's house, like a family friend's house for Christmas Eve. And you're gonna see some animals. You're gonna see a pet pig. They're Levine's. They got a pet pig. I haven't seen it yet. So, get excited for that. And I don't know what else. Honestly, I'm just still talking because I'm waiting for Cameron to come back. Yeah, let's look at Jack. Yeah, my nostril. There's baby Jack. Baby Jack. Missy, you're so cute. She's so cute. I freaking love her. Oh. I'm gonna do a little freeze frame on that face because it's kind of cute but kind of funny. This cat can purr for hours. I kid you. Okay, every single night she sleeps on my bed with me. Every single night she jumps up on my bed. She'll knead and purr for 10 minutes straight. I kid you not. Sometimes less, sometimes more, but every single night she jumps up on my bed, kneads and purrs forever. She does not stop. Does not stop. The grind don't stop, right, baby? Hey guys, Merry Christmas Eve. I already said that 5 million times. We're literally at Target leaving. We had to do some last...
Wait, does this get posted today?
No, this gets posted tomorrow. On Christmas.
One gets posted after Christmas?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Shut up, bitch. Okay,
Whoever came up with Vlogmas is retarded.
Why?
Because it should be the day of.
How are you gonna post the day of? It's Vlogmas is just vlogging every day. Like, it's not like... Okay, whatever. So we were just at Target. We had to do last minute. We had to return stuff and whatever. We're going to drop my mom's card off at her house real quick, at our house real quick, and then we're running to Ulta because I have to grab her or something. Because I just thought of like a last minute thing I wanted to get her. And then we have to go home and get showered and everything because we're going to Miami. And I still have to wrap all my presents. Like, this Christmas. First of all, it doesn't even feel like Christmas. It feels like the craziness of Christmas, but it doesn't feel like Christmas. And then, I don't know, it just feels weird. I don't know what I was gonna say, to be honest, but yeah, that's all. I thought I would update you guys because I haven't updated you guys in a hot second. So, also, I'm like really flustered today, and I feel like because I just have so much to do. Like, we were driving to Walgreens because we had to pick up pictures for like presents, and then I literally passed the street and like, I don't even know. My phone's gonna die, so, bye.
Logan.
Pops.
See, help out. Just like some napkins, and silverware, and stuff like that.
Nope, 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 no. Let's just stop.
I want to write a novel about
I got stinky breath. Cameron.
find something where they draw a picture of you as a teacher and like.
What certain birds do.
Take over other people's nests or other birds' nests. Yeah.
Blue jays, a blue jay will come up to your nest, throw your babies out and your eggs out, and take those walks.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah, blue jays are.
Kiki.
They really are. They will literally. I'm not kidding. That's what they do.
What's up, fam? I'm gonna show you the smallest dog in the world with the biggest human in the world. Nothing. Just kidding. Show her. I want to put a perspective.
Like, what about me?
Come down. This is a dog.
Yes, it is a dog.
Ginger. She has no idea. Ginger. Cameron. Hashtag God. Oh, here's a geekster. Kiki. No, don't call her. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Kiki. Kik. Kiki. Hi, babes. Oh, what a cute. What a cutie. Patootie. Here's the piggy. His name is Olive. Kik. Kiki. Leave Kiki alone, Pops. Benny Jr. Guys, this is Benny Jr. His real name is Casper because he's white. Like, he's like, I don't know, I'm guessing. And this is Benny Jr. If you know my dog, he's been in the vlog before, so if you don't, you're fake. But he literally is like a mini Benny, and it's kind of cute. And I want to take him home. Look at that. And then I got little Gingy here, Ginger. And then, where's Kiki? Oh. Kiki's right there, and then there's a little dog here, I forgot its name. It's like Polly or something like that. There's a lot of other dogs too, if you want to know. And there's a pig, a cat, some hedgehogs, some birds, It's a whole freaking zoo here. Look at that. So cute.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.